Hi guys, this is Alfred with BinaryOptionsTutor.com. I'm just going to shoot a quick video, I hope, but we all know that may not be the case if you've been watching my verbose videos by now. But today we're looking at our binary options signal software. We've recently updated this software to include automated trading, and we've recently done another update to include the ability to remotely change or disable entirely the automated trading when you're away from the local machine. What I mean by local machine is if you maybe started some automated trading at your home and you had to leave to go out for whatever reason, and you want to be able to modify the settings on that local machine at home. We call this remote control, and that's the latest feature that we've added into our binary options signal software, our bot signals trading. What you'll notice here is a remote when everything has been set up and it's you're getting an okay. You're going to get a remote because we've enabled our remote remote control over here just by checking this box. And we've also after you set up everything in your box, you want to also enable automated trading. This check here makes sure that if you're out and you're away, you or no one else is going to be able to actually remotely change the settings or disable your auto trading. You have to have checked this box locally so that you can then remotely edit your settings. And I've already put a just a fake API key in here. We're already set for Markets World. Our listening port is 8090. I want to cover something here. The listening port that's on our software has to be the same as the listening port that's inside of your Signal Push software. Signal Push API credits are what actually execute and generate these trades at Markets World. Okay, now these are little slots that represent each of the different strategies, the different signals strategies that make up our entire our entire system of trading. We've added in a strategy called anomaly because this is something that we're working on, and rather than put out another update later, we decided to go ahead and put this slide in for the anomaly already. It's going to be an Aussie based trading algorithm. Uh, what we're going to do is just go ahead and pop some numbers in here. Uh, 30, and let's pop in let's say 50, and let's say 15, and let's say excuse me, 20, and let's say 30, and let's say 30. If ever you want to not play a particular strategy for whatever reason, you just leave the box blank, and after you've put in the values that you've chosen to play on autopilot, you just click save. You should if the check wasn't already here, you'll see that check there that lets you know that you are armed and that any signals that come to your computer are going to be passed on to the Signal Push software for execution on Markets World. If you've enabled remote access at home or at the office or wherever you actually started the two programs, this remote's going to be here to let you know that you've enabled remote access. Now, let's go over to a screen where we've actually logged in to an account on our server, and you would be able to log into this remotely, whether it's at work or anywhere on the go with whatever uh, a tablet or phone, wherever you can get internet access, and just log into our site. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to first, let me point out this checkbox here. If you were out and you saw that maybe you see that the bets are doing well on the day and you just want to stop there and lock in profits, all you'd have to do is uncheck this box where we're saying, okay, auto trade live. You uncheck this box, and at home or wherever you started your uh, automated trading, this will disable every strategy entirely. Now, we're going to go ahead and put some numbers in here. Let's put all of these at 11. And for this last one, let's go 4. And let's go 2. Okay, now this would be where you're logged into our site from anywhere. For this video, I'm obviously logged in on the same computer, but if you were at another computer or using a mobile device and out, you would set up your settings or disable the signals entirely for your binary option signal software at home, and then you would simply go ahead and save the settings. You're going to see that spinner is where going back to connect with the server that you set up at home, and over here at home we've had everything changed to those new numbers that we just set up there out on the go. And that's pretty much it. That's everything that we had to share today. This is going to be our version 2.20, and if you guys haven't participated in our binary options and premium content, we'd love to have you aboard. This is just some of the recent advances that we've made with our technology. Although these are automated signals, we're still very much encouraging everyone to use proper risk management, to only wager with disposable income, and to trade responsibly, like always, and to manage risk. Originally, you'll note that I had different wager amounts in here based on 1.5%, 2%, 3%, and in some cases on our most statistically successful trading strategy, which was Qrev, quantitative reversal. I would do that at 5%. These are just some suggestions and some ratios, but something to keep in mind is I'm never exposing more than 5% on any one strategy. That's all I had for today. Thank you guys for watching and tuning in, and as always, we invite you to come and check out our not only this premium content and signals, but the many free tools that we provide happily at binaryoptionstutor.com.